This week I'm welding up the roll cage around the boat and building new A-arms. Hit the like and subscribe button and let's get this machine ready for action. All right, this is the bracket to the lower swing arm, A-arm. I'm gonna just cut it down, cut across here. I'll show you that. I'm just gonna get it close to that arc there. This will be update. Got the boat sitting on its own, but it's squatted down a little bit too much, too soft of coils on the spring rate. So I do have some other variable rate springs. I'm going to be trying it out. So suspension up and down from the center of where that block is holding it up, from all the way up to down is 16 inches. So I'm making these adapters for a little bit bigger spring on these shocks. That's what I'm going to be doing today. Taking this here and cutting out all this foam. I've already done this one right here, as you can see. So that way I could put some, I'm going to go ahead. I was going to fiberglass it, but I'm not going to worry about it. I'm just going to put some Bondo on it, sand it down, and get it ready to paint. Fill all these little holes here. So again, got to cut these out all the way around so it'll look a lot cleaner. Radiator right over here, and it's going to be coming up right through there with the fan on it. It's going to push air, clean air, you know, cooler air over here, pushing down, help push this heat out too, is what I'm thinking. And I need it tucked away and easy routing for the plumbing for the hoses. And then the fan will be on the outside pushing that air through. This area right here will be opened, allow all the heat to come out. Plan on putting the sheets over here, cut that and fill that in besides the openings here, and of course the intake. I'm gonna probably move that, reroute that. Yeah, it's getting there. Just gotta finish drilling this and mount this here, clean that up a little bit. But yeah, and then make a new dash, get it kind of prepped up. I like the way the suspension goes up and down, zero bump steer, which is great. So, coming along.